Hey y'all, hope you're having the best day, night, weekend, whenever you see this. I hope it's beautiful. So, we've done the Ecotank for sublimation, the Canon Pixma for everyday printing, and we needed cartridges again, so Epson Ecotank on sale, cheaper than it was on Black Friday. The converting from Ecotank to sublimation was as simple as just putting in sublimation ink instead of their ink. So this time it's going to be even easier because I'm just going to use their ink. We got this Black Friday, so it came that following week. It is January 17th. We are less than 2 months. I always kept that printer on an old magazine rack. When we got the sublimation printer, my husband built me one to match. It'll fit great. Make sure you find and remove all of the tape. They'll hide it from us. The directions will tell you to download their mobile app. My internet is too strong, apparently, for the mobile app and the Wi-Fi communications needed, but downloading the drivers on my laptop, it worked just fine. So we will fill our tanks after we power on the product. We want to power on the product, fill our tanks, and then we want to go to the drivers. So if you want to know about sublimation setup, I'll link that in the description below. Today, the only difference is I'm using the Epson ink it came with instead of sublimation. I have plugged it in. That's as far as I've gotten. Power only. It does not want to be connected to the computer by a printer cord. So you can scan, copy, print, rear feed, so you don't have to worry which way your paper's up. Good side is always up. Okay, here we go.